Hello everyone. Today we continue broken something. Rip off this stuff and look what we find. More surprises like rotten wood. Yes. I think this is not a I can't take off this, probably not one piece, so I have to broke. That's fine for me. I like smashed things. First we take off cabin, doors, or what are you calling this? This is some, not cabin, not sure. Some door, don't know. Yeah. It's not get off. Like that. Forget it. That's much easier. Broke. Breaking. Oh yeah. That's a nice thing. I'm sorry about that noise. Yes. I love smashing and breaking. Somebody, my friend, if they look this, they say, yeah, we noticed that you break things. Because I can. Want to eat something? You have a plate. And trash. Some vacuum. I don't know. Shiny. Nice. Maybe I put that somewhere. Yes. Aye. Oh. Importar Tukku-tiimi Oy Lahti. There's some Finnish thing. Yeah. Yeah, my plan is to take all this off and I leave bathroom section because that look fine. And there's when I hit it and kick it, there's a hard wood and there's no sign in the water leak. If I leave that section, all other else I take off. like very nice and neat. There's some wires here. I don't know where it is going. Oh, just there. Is the There's probably backlight or something. They go out here. Maybe it's the corner light. I'm not sure. But I have to figure out how to take this off. Making too much damage in the frame, so I can try to fix it. I'm not sure how to. Why don't they put here some order how to resample this and take off? It's only in the sampling. I think if I use too much force, I lose some wall here. So we have very cold because we don't have a wall. Because this is very heavy tight. Very. Maybe if I kick something. I like kicking. Yeah. What is that? Hey, I found a screw. Yeah. There is. Ah, they have something. What they call this thing. And under this is a screw. Nice. I use my fruit knife. Fruit knife. Take off this thing. That cover thing. There is not. There's some paper here. Somebody buy it. The color. Yeah. Spraying this some outside frame. Okay, brush. Don't know what this is. Okay, there's some notes. Some notes what they do in this car. Last year. They changed oil and the exhaust their thing they put in the hanging there. Freeze fluid, timing belt, and some little things, the hose, electric cable, something. Don't know. Yeah, this car is I buy this car in my father. Now this is some memorial thing what I have to do it because my father laying down in hospital and he has cancer and probably dying just like these hours or days, and now I have to make this finish because this is only thing what I have left, my father. I tried to do that. Yeah, that's the morning part. Here's some inspection paper. Production country is Italia, of course. It's Fiat Ducato. I don't know. There's so many words, but I don't know. What is the English? There's some repair thing what you have to do before next expansion. I don't know. Yeah, back to demolition. That I know. Have to take. I can't say what I'm drinking because nobody sponsors me. So I can't tell what I'm drinking. But it's not alcohol. It's not get off. It's just turn around. Whole wall is broken. Probably. There's some switch here. Don't know what I'm doing. They go somewhere. Yeah. I have to get the power tool. This is so exhausting. Oh! Shit, my hand. How this get off? I need more tool. Yes! If you don't have a... Oh, use your power. I have to get broken. Fruit knife. Works. Some light. Do I care? No. I'm not. Cable. More cable. Maybe I take this off before it explodes in my face. I have a glasses. Protect it first. No brain, just power. Rotkeeko? I see outside. Kids, don't do this home. Oops. There's so many wires there. Sorry about the noise. Fiat man. There is some kind panel here. I don't know. There's some picture glass, water glass, probably water pump. I think. Do I need this? I don't think so. I use fruit knife. Big cable. I think there's a lot of power going there because it's a big red cable. My father says me some point in my life, if a heavy cable, don't touch. Now I touch. But I know this car is no power because it's take off that cable in the battery. What's that? Have I broken the window? I don't know. Probably. Some rot. I don't know. More power! Yes. I found injuries card. This is probably this guy is dead. This is the born in 39. Or maybe not. Maybe he's old guy. Don't know. Marian Hamina. Yes. All right. So many cable. I am pretty sure there is no working light after this anymore. How do I get this off without breaking the cable? I don't break the cable. Because I can. That's the very common word I use in my life. I do so many things. So I can say, because I can. And so many people say you are nuts. Yeah, I know that. I'm too old. Waiting thing happen. I probably more cable. Lucky I have my knife. That's off and that's it. Maybe I use this thing. I put all cable to connect like this. I don't know what is the English name, but Finnish we call in sokeripala. If I translate that English is some sweet piece, probably not right. And sorry my language. Oi, 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 oi. Close hanger, hanging place. Nice, self-made. Breaking stuff. I like it. Yeah. Okay. Da, da, da. take you and show what I'm doing. There's this kitchen section. I have to first take off the stove, fridge, and then I take this cabin off. Okay, wife is coming home and my kid. Oh, she's sleeping. Sweet. Yeah. Oh, my finger. Shit. Now I can take all this off. All the wall paper. Look what's inside there. Probably look like same like that corner. And when I take this, all what I see, what is inside that, I take off that thing, cleaning up, take all this off, and this shit off, and look what is against us. And then we have all that section, all that thing, and here's my wife. Say hello. Hello. And there's some cupping. I also take off. There's no more heating element in here, no gas, no anything. They always, I take off all the pipe, that thing. But yes, that's all this time. And thank you watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up or down. Let me comment. Let's tell me what you want. I repairs here, repair. What material I use, what tools I have to use. I don't break all the car. Probably I do that. Yes, but see you next time. Bye.